Hey guys, Max Van over at STG, and today I'll be going over the all-new Taichi Windstop Softshell pants. So first of all, let's just talk about the price on these pants. They are $199.95 retail. And for sizing, I am 6 foot tall, 160 pounds with a 28-inch waist, and I wear a size Japanese large. So with protection, you have CE level 2 armor in the knees. Super nice to have. They also cup and form to the knee, which is, again, another nice thing to have. And on the side, you have a pad, which is a Velcro attached. Just your average foam pad for the hip. And riding in these pants, I suggest riding, maybe early spring, later fall, or even just throughout those seasons when it's kind of 40, 50 degrees outside, rainy, kind of cold. It's got that wind protection, which will be nice when you're riding in those conditions. All right, so let's get started with the breakdown. So in the knee, you have the CE level 2 protection. Really nice to have that. I like how it cups to the knee. Velcro pockets for those. And then you come up to the hips, and you should have your standard foam. You can upgrade that if you'd like, and that'll just Velcro on the inside of the pants. So let's start from the top. So at the top, you have two waist adjustment bands, which is really nice for people with skinny waists, just like me. And then you also have kind of a room for a belt, which is also nice. Crotch area, zipper, and then a buckle. And then pocket-wise, so these pockets would be good for, if I were to say, when you get to the destination, you want to take your phone out, slide your phone in there, no zip up. Unfortunately, you have that on both sides. And then you come over to the pockets. I would say this is more of a cargo pocket. That's where you can put your phone when you're traveling, things like that. Water resistant up at the top. Again, super nice to have that. And then come to the bottom. You have reflection on both sides, so at night, when a car's coming with headlights, he'll be able to see you. And then with this color, with the black, it looks kind of like stealth mode. I enjoy it a lot. And again, with these pants, I recommend these to you if you're going to be riding in kind of like early fall, early spring, kind of colder conditions with some rain and some wind. So again, great set of pants, look super good, and I recommend these to all of you out there.